This is Just Tool Basics, and today we're talking about hose remover pliers. Hello everyone, welcome to Just Tool Basics. Today's topic is hose remover pliers, and what these are just little miracle workers. The way they work is the black jaw bites into, very lightly, bites into the metal tube that a rubber hose is against, and the silver side pushes the hose off. Now, it works on anywhere between 5/30 seconds, which is just barely over 1/8 of an inch, all the way up to 1/2 inch. And the way it does it is you just kind of push the pliers on a little bit. As you can see, I'm not backing it up with my thumb or anything like that. You just squeeze the handle and it pops the hose right off. Now, you can see it does mar it a very slight bit, but it's certainly nothing that's ruining it. And this is a very soft hose, very soft line as well. And the way it does this is this black jaw, you can see that there's a slight sharp edge on there. It's nothing severe. I mean, it's not going to cut you or anything like that, but it's very slightly sharpened to give it a little bit of bite. Now, if you get this edge messed up, you can easily resharpen it with a file. The silver jaws are not sharp, and they're very slightly undersized from the black jaws. And that's how, you can see that that's maybe, 1/10 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch, might even be less than that. And that allows the silver jaw to ride along the tube and push the hose off. You can see each side is labeled. This one says hose, this one says tube, just in case you forget. The way I remember is high contrast. The silver pushes on the black bites into the silver. That way you can see what's happening. I don't know. Held together with just a nice, pretty thick rivet. There's a spring inside the handle to keep them in the closed position. And then while I've dipped my handle in Plasti-Dip, you can see there's like a impression of some cross-hatching on there. And that's how these come from the factories. There's just a light cross-hatching cut into the metal. I like the slightly rubbery grip myself. These are made out of steel. They're not anything fancy, like stainless or anything like that, but pretty thick steel. I have used these for a number of years, and they're pretty much as good as I got them. But yeah, for an under $10 tool, these things are a game changer. Now, I'll put a link in the description to these things. I can't recommend them highly enough. They're made in America and under $10. You really can't beat it. So until next time, this is Just Tool Basics.